Listen, I'm going to say one phrase, just one. Normal speed. Ready? What you gonna do about it? How many words did you hear? Go to the comments right now. Write a number. Don't think. Just write. Most people write 2, maybe 3. Some people write 4. The answer is 6. 6 words. What are you going to do about it? Wait, that's 8. You're right. And they all fit inside that one sound you just heard. Here's the thing. You know all these words. What? You know it. Are? Easy. You? Of course. Going to? Yes. Do? Simple. About it? No problem. But together at real speed, they sound like something you have never heard before. This is the part nobody talks about. The words are easy. The sound is not. You learned English one word at a time. Native speakers don't talk one word at a time. And that gap, that space between what you know and what you hear, that is why you feel lost when real people speak. Today, we close that gap. You know this moment. You're watching a show, no subtitles. Someone talks, and you hear sounds, not words, just sounds, fast sounds, all together, like one long thing with no spaces. So you turn subtitles on, you read the line, and you stop. Wait, they said that? I know that word. I know all those words. How did I not hear them? This happens to everyone, and nobody explains why. So let me explain it now. You learned English like this. Cat, dog, hello, my name is. How are you? One word, then the next word, then the next. Clean, separate, slow. But that's not how people actually talk. They don't say, do you want to? They say, "I wanna." They don't say, "I don't know." They say, "I don't know." They don't say, "Give me." They say, "Gimme." This is not bad English. This is not lazy English. This is not wrong. This is just real English. The English that lives outside the book. Maybe right now you're thinking, why didn't anyone tell me this? Because most teachers teach you the words, not the sounds, not the music, not the way words touch each other when people speak fast. They teach you the map, but not the road. So your English looks right on paper, but in real life, your ear gets lost. Today we fix that. But first, I want to know your story. Go to the comments. Write one word or phrase in English that always sounds wrong to you. Something you hear but can't catch. Something that looks one way but sounds another. Write it in English, right now. I read every comment. Native speakers follow 3 rules when they talk. They don't know about these rules. Nobody taught them. No class, no book. It just happened. From years of talking, every day, with real people. But here's the good news. Once you know the rules, you hear them everywhere. In films, in music, in podcasts, in your favorite show. 3 rules. Let's go. Rule 1. Words connect. In the book, what are you doing? In real life, what are you doing? Not 5 words, 1 sound, 3 parts. Whaddya, doing. The words don't stop. They run into each other like water. This is called connected speech. Words don't live alone. They live together. Now say it with me. What are you doing? Again. What are you doing? One more time. What are you doing? That's it. That's real. Rule 2. Some sounds disappear. In the book, I don't know. In real life, I don't know. In the book, going to. In real life, gonna. In the book, want to. In real life, wanna. Why does this happen? Because English is fast. English is always looking for the short way. If a sound is hard, it gets smaller. If a sound slows you down, it disappears. This is not a mistake. This is just how the mouth works when people talk every day. Say these with me. I don't know. Gonna. Wanna. Your mouth knows these now. Rule 3. Stress decides everything. In English, not every word is the same. One word in a sentence gets more time, more volume, more weight. The other words go fast and quiet. Watch this. Same sentence, different stress, totally different meaning. I didn't say she stole the money, meaning someone said it, not me. I didn't say she stole the money, meaning maybe I wrote it, maybe I thought it, but I didn't say it out loud. I didn't say she stole the money, meaning someone stole it, just not her. Same 8 words, 3 different messages, just from stress. This is how native speakers say things without saying them. Now say these after me. Listen first, then talk. I didn't say she stole the money. I didn't say she stole the money. I didn't say she stole the money. Hear the difference? That's not grammar, that's music. 3 rules. Words connect. Sounds disappear. Stress carries the meaning. You didn't learn these in school, but you just learned them now. And in the next part, we test your ear. For real. Okay, you know the 3 rules now, but knowing is not the same as hearing. So let's find out where you actually are. I'm going to say 5 phrases. Normal speed, real speed, native speed. After each one, pause the video. Write what you heard, don't look it up, don't think too long, just write. Ready? Here we go. Phrase 1. Didja eat yet? Pause now. Write what you heard. Okay. Did you eat yet? Did you? Always becomes Didja. Every time, in every conversation. Fast and easy. Didja. 1 down. Phrase 2. Let me know. Pause. Write it. Let me know. Let me becomes Lemme. Always. You've heard this 100 times. In films, in songs. Now you hear it. 2 down. Phrase 3. What do you think? Pause. Write. What do you think? 5 words, 1 sound. Whaddya. You already know this one. We practiced it together. 3 down. Phrase 4. Gotta go. Pause. Write. Gotta go. Got to becomes gotta. You've heard this in every action movie, every single one. Gotta go, gotta run, gotta do this. Now you own it. 4 down. Last one. Could have been worse. Pause. Write. Could have been worse. Could have becomes coulda. And this is a family. Coulda, woulda, shoulda, could have, would have, should have. All 3 work the same way. All 3 are normal. All 3 are native. 5 down. So, how many did you get? Go to the comments right now. Write your number out of 5, just the number, in English. 0 is fine. 0 means you're in the right place. 5 means you were ready for this longer than you thought. Write it. I want to see. So, you know the rules now. Words connect, sounds disappear, stress carries the meaning. But here's the honest part. Knowing the rules is not the same as hearing them. You need to train your ear, like a muscle, a little every day. 3 steps. You can start today, not next week. Today. Step 1. Listen without subtitles. First, pick a show you like. Press play. Turn subtitles off, just 5 minutes, that's all. Don't try to understand everything, that's not the goal. The goal is different. Listen to the stream. Where do words connect? Where do sounds disappear? Where is the stress? Just notice. Don't translate. Just listen. Then, Turn subtitles on, watch the same 5 minutes again, and you'll see it. Oh, that's what they said. Do this every day. 5 minutes, that's it. Your ear will start to change, slowly, then fast. Step 2. Shadowing. Find one phrase that you didn't understand, a hard one, the one that sounded like noise. Play it. Listen. Play it again. Listen. One more time. Listen. Now, play it again. And this time, talk with the voice, not after, with. At the same time, your mouth follows the sound, like a shadow. This is the fastest way to train your ear and your mouth together. One phrase, 4 times, 2 minutes, that's shadowing. Step 3. Don't translate. Guess. When you hear something and don't understand, don't open a dictionary. Not yet. First, listen again. Look at the situation. Look at the face. Look at what's happening. Try to figure it out. Your brain is already working harder than you think. It catches sounds, it catches patterns, it remembers more than you know. Give it a chance before you reach for the dictionary. Most of the time, you'll figure it out, and when you do, that word stays forever because you worked for it. 3 steps: no app, no course, no special book, just a show you like. 5 minutes every day. That's enough to start hearing what native speakers hear. One last thing. Right now, say this out loud to nobody, just you, just the room. What you gonna do about it? Say it like you own it. What you gonna do about it? Good. Now go to the comments. Write it exactly like that. Not, what are you going to do about it? The real version. What you gonna do about it? That's it. That's the whole thing. That's your day 1. You came here today and heard noise. You're leaving today and hearing words. That's not small. And this is just the start. On this channel, there are more sounds, more patterns, more of the English that lives outside the book. Every video, your ear gets a little sharper, a little faster, a little closer to what a native speaker hears. The playlist is on the channel. It's waiting. Keep listening.